Hello, my friend. Today on our next program about the hair, and it was already several program about how you support your hair, how you make that your hair can grow a little bit faster. But today, Bell Books tell you about the different color of the hair. When I start to be a little bit gray in this area of my hair, so I start to look in different color. And I try, as I told you in another program, L'Oreal, and it was not successful. But when I came to Japan, I can see a lot of Japanese women, they have very nice hair, but they have no gray hair. What was the secret of this Japanese woman? And then I find out that they use the special color, which is natural, and I will show you now this what I learned from Japan. It's called Bigen, and you can see it's a Japanese woman with kimono, and it's a Japanese sign here. They can buy this color in the supermarket. Inside this box, it's a small amount of this color, and it's you mix this with the water, a little bit water, not so much, and such small amount, it's enough for 1 month, two times shading your gray hair. And this color is natural, that is why it's easier to take this out. If you don't want this shade, and what I would like to say that it's only for the people with the dark hair. So because it's a Japan also, and everybody have the dark hair there. So, and what I would like to say that it's easier to mix this, easier to apply in your hair, and it's easy to remove if you don't like this anymore. So you take 2 grams of C vitamin, mix this with the shampoo and dissolve this totally, and then you put this in your hair and leave this for half an hour, 1 hour, and later you just wash your hair, and together with the washing, it will be all of the color will gone. So if you just tired from this color, so you can easily take this out, no problem with this. But in China, I learned about another secret, and this is my secret from China. You can see this. It's a special shampoo with color, and it's called Liu Wuxie shampoo. Liu Wuxie. Dr. Leo, it was very sweet story about 2,000, maybe 3,000 years ago in China, I don't know exactly, but it was one man in the small village, and his wife, he was very upset, and his wife thrown him out. It was big scandal, and he went to the mountains to meditate, just to relax, and then he was there for 3 months, and he eat different plants, different kind of herbs, and when after 3 months he came back to the village, his hair was totally recovered. He was not gray anymore. And then his wife asked what you did, and he told that I eat different plants, I don't know. Then they went together in the mountains, and then they found this plant which is here in this shampoo. You can see this. So, and that was beginning of this Dr. Li shampoo. So it exists in China in the pills. You can take the pills, and the pills, it's what the Chinese tell that affect your kidney, which is very good. Kidney will be strong, and kidney responsible for the hair in agree with Chinese medicine. And it's effect that your hair start to grow again natural color. I tried these pills about for 1 year. I didn't see so much difference, but when I start to use this shampoo, I can see very quickly difference that my hair is very shining, very nice. It's first thing. So they grown very fast. Another thing, and I can use this shampoo just about every day, and it's not damaged. It's not drying my hair. It's also very good. Yeah. So, and that is my secret for today. Both products you can buy in Amazon. Amazon, it's amazing shop because now it's all over the world. You can find that thousands and thousands different grades of the products, but you need to know what you are looking for. So, Bell Books, books for easy living and nice, easy people who knows the secret of life. Irina Bjorna, your wellness coach. Bye.
See you next time!